How to use focus mode on iPhone. In this guide, we'll walk you through exactly how to set up and use focus. To get started, head over to the Settings app and select Focus. You'll see a few suggested modes such as work, sleep, and driving. You can customize these options or create a completely new focus by tapping the plus icon at the top right. Before choosing a focus, it's a good idea to turn on Share across devices, which will sync your settings to all Apple devices signed in with your Apple ID. You can also activate Focus Status, which notifies others that you've muted your notifications. Once your focus is selected, you can manage who's allowed to contact you. Tap on People to set your preferences, either let certain people's notifications come through or choose specific ones to silence. If you want to add someone, just tap Add People, choose from your contacts, and hit Done. You can also decide who can call you when focus is active by adjusting the Allow Calls from setting, for example, limited to favorites or your chosen contact list. Next, go to Apps to control which app notifications are allowed or muted during focus. When active, notifications from silenced apps will quietly go to Notification Center. You can also personalize how your iPhone looks during focus. Under Lock Screen, tap Choose to assign a custom lock screen that reminds you focus is on. Do the same under Home Screen to show only selected pages and hide others, helping you stay on track. You can even schedule focus to turn on automatically at a specific time, location, or when using certain apps. Want more control? Add a focus filter to decide how specific apps behave. For instance, you might mute non-work calendars or restrict messages to a selected group. Turning focus on is simple. Just swipe into Control Center, tap Focus, and select your preferred mode. You can also set a time duration using the three-dot icon next to each focus. When active, your other home screens will disappear, and your notifications will be sent directly to Notification Center without disturbing you. Your lock screen will show a small focus icon at the bottom, letting you quickly switch modes or turn it off. You can also return to Control Center to disable it whenever you want. That's how focus mode helps you stay productive, mindful, or simply undisturbed whenever you need it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more iPhone tips and guides.